Okay, for task 6, it says go to your week 2 folder, open the folder that said spreadsheets you'll need for task 6. Download the spreadsheet titled Lottery Powerball Winning Numbers. My advice, I said, is to save this to your downloads folder. What you're going to do here is you're going to practice uploading it into your drive, into your teacher folder. Once you get there, I'm going to have you save it as a Google Sheet. And I don't want you to delete the original. So we're going to do this together. So for example, right here is your week 2 folder. It said spreadsheets you'll need for task 6. Lottery Powerball number. So you're going to click it. Okay, but you need to download this. So go right over here to download. And there it is. All right. So now what I need you to do is to go over and open up your Google Drive. You're going to go directly to your teacher folder. Click it open. Click open week 2. You're going to go to new, file upload, and I always have it in my downloads. So you're going to click open. All right, and it says upload complete. You can close that. Now you can see right here, it saved it as an Excel file. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to click it open. And you can see it's still an Excel file, but it's opening in Google Sheets. But I want you to save it as a Google Sheet. So you're going to go right here to File, Save as a Google Sheet. And remember, it's going to save it in your teacher folder. And if you're wondering if it really did save it in your teacher folder, just go up here and click on Move. And you're going to see it's in your week 2 folder with everything else. So what I told you about keeping the original, you can see the original is right here. And then here's your sheet right here. So now this task is done.